The Shark self-emptying robot vacuum is a powerful whole-home cleaning solution with impressive suction power that effectively captures trapped debris, dust, and pet hair on carpets and hard floors. The Matrix Clean feature ensures that no spots are missed as the robot vacuum cleans using a precision grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris. One of the standout features of this Shark robot vacuum is its self-emptying capability, which dumps the dirt into a bagless base that can hold up to 45 days of dirt and debris. The vacuum also boasts of a multi-surface brush roll which combs and pulls debris, hair, and dirt from all surfaces in your home. The Precision Home Mapping feature uses 360-degree LiDAR vision to accurately map your home, enabling the robot to methodically clean while detecting and avoiding objects in its path. The vacuum is perfect for homes with pets as it can efficiently capture pet hair, dust, and dander, and also allows for advanced targeted cleaning and cleaning customization through the Shark Clean app.